In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cash on delivery on Shopify. In order to enable cash on delivery on Shopify, all you have to do is first thing first, log in. So once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and tap the settings button located right at the bottom. Once you tap the gear icon, that's going to take you to the settings page, and here in the left hand sidebar, you'll be able to find payments. So after you click the payments button, then you'll be able to find an option as add manual payment located right at the bottom. So you'll need to go ahead and tap on add manual payment located right at the bottom. After you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and enable the active cash on delivery button from the pop-up menu. And in order to confirm it, tap the confirm button. Here you go, that the cash on delivery has been added as a payment method. So in that way, you can cash on delivery on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.